When to use %r instead of %s in Python. On Learn Python the Hard Way page 21, I see this code example. Why is %r used here instead of %s? When would you use %r, and when would you use %s?
The %s specifier converts the object using str, and %r converts it using repr. For some objects such as integers, they yield the same result, but repr is special in that, for types where this is possible, it conventionally returns a result that is valid Python syntax, which could be used to unambiguously recreate the object it represents. Here's an example, using a date. Types for which repr doesn't produce Python syntax include those that point to external resources such as a file, which you can't guarantee to recreate in a different context.
Use the %r for debugging, since it displays the raw data of the variable, but the others are used for displaying to users. That's how %r formatting works. It prints it the way you wrote it, or close to it. It's the raw format for debugging. Here, %r shows the representation of the raw data of the variable. Output. Check this example from Learn Python the Hard Way.
%r shows with quotes. It will be like. If you had used %s, it would have been.
This is a version of Ben James's answer, above. When I ran this, it helped me see the usefulness of %r.
If you want to hear more, please consider subscribing.